Alright, so it's time for another Sunday drive. We've put 139 miles on this tank of gas. Last time we filled up at 200, well, about 200. And we got about 16 and a half miles per gallon. Hopefully we'll do a little better this time. And we'll refill this at about 200 miles also, so we still got like 60 miles to go. It might not be till next weekend until we actually get to 60 miles on it, because we're not going to go 60 miles today, and work is going to be pretty busy this week, so I don't know when I'm going to have a chance to get out and drive it again. Probably be next weekend. But at any rate, we'll fill it up again. We'll see how many miles we went. We'll see how many gallons it was. Haven't done anything to it since last weekend. It's been just sitting in the garage all dirty. And pretty gloomy day today. It's supposed to rain all day, on and off, but it's just been cloudy so far. I think it might be interesting if we got a little rain. That way we could I haven't driven it in the rain in a long time, so. And so I don't know how it's going to react with the limited slip, with the new 17-inch wheels and tires, and with the new brakes in the rain. So that'll be something to look forward to. Haven't even had a chance to look into getting a throttle body for this thing. Not even sure if one exists. What I would like to do is get a used stock throttle body that's in good shape, that is a 4-bolt like what I have, but you know, a manual throttle body. This car came with a throttle by wire originally. So we don't have a throttle by wire setup, so we can't do that. We got to go with a throttle body that has a cable, and that's a little tougher to find on these later engines, because you know, by I think 2008-ish, somewhere in that area, they all went to throttle by wire. So that's the conundrum there. So basically we're still waiting to do that. Other than that, nothing else to really update. Just going for a ride.